Check this out. You again. Again. Okay, let me show you what I just did on the key of E. How to sound like a pro on E. You see? Pentatonic scales. Pentatonic scales are one of the major skills that every pro musician, every pro singer, every pro keyboardist, as long as you are striving to be excellent, you have to know your pentatonic skills. Because why? We hear it in every music. You know? So on the key of E, the pentatonic scale is E, F sharp, A flat, B, and C sharp. So the first one to do is this. Just imagine you're in the hallelujah. So if you realize now, I'm using these fingers. I'm using this. So imagine this is 1, 2, 3. So the movement is from the 6th degree of the scale, which because a pentatonic scale is composed of the 1st degree, the 2nd degree, the 3rd degree, the 5th degree, and the 6th degree. So the 6th degree, you start it like 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Again, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So coming down. So, but do it slowly. Again, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Again. So faster, it's gonna be. Again. 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 You see, I'm doing that same. So we're going up. And you can do that on your 4 too. Hey! Let's slow it down. So you see, because I'm rushing, but when I'm doing this live, I don't. So you've got this. So 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. But on your hand is 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So coming down. Again. Now you can even do different variations like so 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. Again. Again. These are nice licks. So these are nice. This is how we create arrangements and stuff. Yeah. So that one I was teaching you. Again. Again. Yo, this is crazy. But you see, pentatonic scales are the most beautiful thing that could have happened to mankind, aside from Christ, though. Yeah. So again. So that was so that lick was. You see? So it's like we are turning around. We can do. That same thing on the on you can do. I hope you get so see this one was so it was so it was let's try something. So so or so pentatonic, just practice different variation and you're going to be coming up with different licks, beautiful licks, just turning it around. Okay, instead of starting on the 6th degree in the E, what about if you start on the 2? So instead it's now you see, just starting already on a different degree. What if it's so so this is licks exposed, like how to create your own licks, and this is just in the key of that's I hope you are taking things away. Oh. Yo, so again. Whew, slow it down. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next Leak Exposed or in the next class or lesson. And yeah, drop a comment below and also share to your friends, musicians, non-new musicians. I mean, we are all learning here. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.